Okay guys, now let us talk about L attributed STD. So L attributed STD has been defined earlier. I hope you guys remember. So let me take an example for L attributed STD. T gives T star F, T gives F and F gives digit. Also I have mentioned a point over here saying that when the structure of the input does not match with the grammar, that is when we use L attributed STD. The meaning of this is, let's take an input 2 star 3. So structure of input is 2 star 3. Does not match with the grammar. Take this grammar. 2 star 3 matches with this grammar. Okay. But then this is not suitable for top down passing. You guys know because there is left recursion over here. So when you try eliminating the left recursion, this is how it looks. I hope you are very well versed with the removal of left recursion by now. So this is the non-left recursive grammar. So when you look at the structure of input here, it does not match with this one, right? It thoroughly matches with this. When you see 2 star 3, this exactly matches with this T star F. So you get to know that this is somewhat similar to this. So the structure is almost matching over here. But when you see here, it does not look similar to the input that is given, right? So in such cases, we use L attributed SDD. That is why they are useful for top-down passing, because left recursion is not entertained in top-down parser or grammars. Okay. So I have rewritten here because I need some space for writing the semantic rules over here. Okay, so we'll take an example, guys. I have taken an example 2 star 3 and I have used this grammar to write the pass tree over here. So this is how do I write the pass tree for 2 star 3? T gives F T dash, and then T dash is broken into star F T dash, and then F leads to digit, F leads to digit, and then T dash by epsilon. Now this is very important, guys, so to concentrate here. Okay, so I will start from the bottom. Yeah, we start from the top and then we reach the bottom. Let's see how it is actually top down. Okay, so digit dot lex val. Okay, what is the value associated here? 2, and the value that is associated over here is going to be 3. Okay, so I shall write the rule that is associated here as digit dot lex val is given to f dot val, right? Okay, so f dot val gets a value 2, and here also f dot val gets a value 3. Clear? Okay, so this is the first assignment. Here we have done the second assignment. Okay, yeah. Next, you see here star. See, this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree, and the operand, which is star here. 2 and 3 are the operators and star is the 2 and 3 are the operands and star is the operator, right? So the operator, which is star, is associated with the right subtree, but one of its operand to its left, that is 2, is associated with the left subtree. So this has to be gotten to the right subtree, right? So we can get these 2 to T dash by applying the definition of inherited. And inherited means what? The siblings get its value from the non-terminals that are to its left. So definitely f is to the left of T dash. So we can say that I will pass on f dot value. So I will consider this as this is 1 and this is the second transition to, and the third okay, third one over here. Yeah, so I will pass on to T dash. And what does T dash become? What kind of value is it? It is inherited, right? So we will write it as dot inh. You see, guys, this val over here is an synthesized attributes. Okay, it is a synthesized attribute. Okay, so I will associate 2 to it. It is inherited because it has got it from its left sibling. So where shall I write over here? T gives f T dash, right? So T gives f T dash. I need to write it over here. So here I'll write that which T has got it? This T, right? T dash. So T dash dot inh is called inh because it has received its value from its sibling. That is, T dash has received from its left sibling. which is f. Okay, so we have got 2 over here. So now you have the two operands 2 and 3 as well as the operator residing in the same subtree. So 2 when multiplied with 3 gives you a value 6. So I can store this in t dash, right? Again, I have to store it in t dash. So what does t dash become? T dash also becomes inherited because it has got its value from its left sibling, also from its parent, right? So I shall write this as t dash dot inh as 6. So I shall mention here this is the fourth transition. Okay, so t dash dot inh has got its value from this 2 into 3. So this t dash associated with this one is according to which rule? This rule, right? Here t dash gives star f t dash, and again to